Are you trying to close your garage door and it doesn't move at all? No worries, there's an easy fix. First, let's make sure there is nothing interfering with the sensors. If you have anything on the way of the sensors, please remove them. Bicycle leaning on the tracks, toolbox or other objects blocking the sensors. If we have nothing interfering the sensors, we might need to do a quick adjustment. If the sensors are out of alignment, please correct the beam pointing straight. And now let's test the garage door to see if everything is working well. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please comment below.